Hello guys, I would like to give you a brief overview of how web applications work. Web applications, whether you're a front-end developer or a back-end developer, there are a few basic concepts that you should know. And a web application basically has like three sides to it. The first one is the client side. I hope I can draw a computer right. Whoa, this is my own computer. So this is the client side that shows you a website that can display a view. Then we have the server. I'm sure you must have seen a CPU before. So this is the client. This is the server. And then we also have the data store. We have the data store where you keep data. Now, basically, the client communicates with the server by passing what we call JSON data, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, JSON data to the server. The server manipulates the data. For example, a login data, it could hash the password. Let's even take the login flow, for example. The server would, the client displays a form, a login form, or a sign up form. Let's do a sign up form. A sign up form. This guy has his email on the screen and his password. He put it inside an input field. The client sent it to the server via a JSON object, JavaScript object notation body. This server gets the email and the password. This server could decide to just forward the email and the password directly to the data store. Our data store, or what we call our database. But this server could also decide to do some manipulation. For example, this server could decide to hash the password. That means it will change or convert the password to a non-readable format for humans before proceeding to save it in the database. It will hash it using a secret and a key, and then when you need to retrieve it from the database, it will do the same verification. It will dehash it and then compare. If the password is correct, it can allow the user login. But on sign up, the server could decide to do some hashing before passing the information down to the database. We have different kinds of database. We have NoSQL and SQL databases, but we won't be diving deep into that for now. Just simple examples of databases are MySQL, MS SQL. We have several others, Oracle, DB, and the likes. And on the server, we have several programming languages we could use on the server. We have Java, we have Python, we have C++. We also have Node.js, that is JavaScript. So the person working on the server is called a backend developer, while the person working on the client is called a front-end developer. This client could be a mobile app or a web app. Simply anything that a user can touch, can interact with, can pass data to, and it would take the data, pass it to a server. That is what we call a client. Basically, these are the three phases to a web application. A client that can interact directly with a user, and then a client that interacts with a server. It can send data to the server and retrieve data from the server. A server that can interact with a database and receive data from a database, and also return data to the client. Basically, that's how web applications work. From the most complex to the most simple applications, they all consist of a client, a server, and a data store. Thank you.